Welcome to our student preview. In this video, we'll show you what your students see when they use CommonLit. To access an assignment, your students need to log into their CommonLit accounts with their username and password. If you imported your students from Google Classroom or Clever, they can also log in by clicking here or here. When students log in, they are directed to their assignments page. From here, they can see assignments they need to do, assignments that are being graded, and any completed assignments. Students should click on an assignment to begin or resume it. Make sure your students always access assignments through their assignments page and not through the library. This introduction provides helpful background information for students, as well as an annotation task to focus their reading. If you've assigned this text to your students without guided reading mode, their assignment will look like this, with the assessments to the right. If you have enabled guided reading mode, the text will look differently. Only the first chunk will be visible. The rest will be blurred out to encourage closer reading. Students will find our accessibility tools above the questions panel. They include read aloud, translations, and annotations. To hear text read aloud, click the Read Aloud button and press play. We'll save your spot if you leave the page. Students can also translate parts of the text into different languages using our Translate tool. Students can also create highlights and notes to annotate the text. Have them select the text they want to annotate. Then they can choose to leave a highlight or a note. They can edit or delete their notes or remove their highlights. You can see their annotations from your assignment dashboard in real time. If a student doesn't understand a word in the passage, they can find a definition using our embedded footnotes. When students have finished reading the first chunk of text in guided reading mode, they should click the question icon to open the first guiding question. They can try as many times as necessary to get the correct answer. They get a full star if they answer the question correctly on the first try, and a half star otherwise. After students complete the guiding questions, they are prompted to move on to the assessment portion by clicking Begin Assessment. As a reminder, for students without guided reading mode turned on, this will be their first option on the questions panel. Students can also begin an assignment and finish it later. Students should see a text box where they can type in their short answer responses. We automatically save their answers, including their short answer responses, as they go. Students can also go back to review and change previous answers. When students are all done, they should click Submit Your Assignment. Students cannot currently see discussion questions on the digital platform. They will also not see related media. After submitting an assignment, students will be taken back to their assignments page. From there, they can see that the assignment is awaiting your grading and can click on it to review their answers. Once you finish grading and release their scores, the assignment will move to completed, and students will be able to review their scores and your feedback. Students can see how they did on all completed assignments by going to My Performance. Thanks for using CommonLit. If you have any questions or feedback, you can always reach out to us by clicking the Teacher Help button here.